let's talk about a powerful immune boosting formula that you can make at home. It's inexpensive and easy to make, and you will feel better. Get rid of that cold or flu. It's really important.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here, and let's talk about making a powerful immune boosting formula that you can make at home. It's really inexpensive, and it's will do the trick. You know, it's nothing worse than having a nagging cold or flu that just keeps going on forever, and of course that means your immune system is down, and you really need to take something. And maybe a lot of people right now don't have money, I'm telling you. This is a way to make a huge batch of wonderful immune booster and have it around the house. And you could take this quite often. It's really, really good on the system. Well, the first thing I want to talk about, first of all, is give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Also, please subscribe and tell other people, because I appreciate that in a great way. And then calcium ascorbate or vitamin C powder, organic, of course, as much as possible. Vitamin C is amazing for boosting up your immune system. Everybody knows about that. Also, it kills viruses 11 different ways. Brand new studies just came out showing that. So it's really great stuff. I highly recommend it. And so get yourself a bowl and put 1 ounce of vitamin C powder in. And then you're going to take, and I'm going to use a regular garlic here because people know what that is. But a garlic powder, organic if at all possible, and take 1/2 ounce of garlic powder. You know, garlic is an amazing immune system booster. I like to take 1 or 2 garlic cloves, crush it up, or cut it up, and take it with a little honey in the morning. Yeah, really good stuff. In fact, I have a friend, and he spreads this on his toast in the morning. And really, he just hardly ever comes down with a cold or flu. Also, good old turmeric. So you can take 1/2 ounce of the garlic powder and put it in the bowl. So 1 ounce of ascorbic acid powder, 1/2 ounce of garlic powder. And then we're going to add some turmeric powder. You know, you can get this at the big box stores, and you're going to put in 1/2 ounce of turmeric in there, and that will do your body good. You know, turmeric helps to keep away cancer, boost up your immune system, anti-inflammatory, all kinds of great things, and I highly recommend putting in turmeric, that's for sure. The next thing is elderberry powder. Elderberry is amazing for all kinds of things, and really does a great job of boosting up your immune system and getting rid of colds, flus, and all kinds of viral processes going on. It was used for many, many different outbreaks. So allow yourself to put a 1/2 ounce of the elderberry powder into this bowl also. Another one is blueberry leaf powder. You know, we know the blueberries, we put them on our breakfast cereal in the morning, but the leaves themselves are amazing for boosting up your immune system and really have lots of antioxidant activity. So put in 1/2 ounce of blueberry leaf powder also. Don't worry about the taste. We're not going to really taste this because we're going to use capsules for sure. You can use it just by this powder if you want. Also, ginger powder, organic ginger powder is great. Put 1/2 ounce in there. Ginger boosts up your immune system. It's warming for the body. It helps to heal all kinds of problems. And there's a ton of information about ginger being an immune booster. Also, another one is astragalus root, which is a great immune booster also. And you can get that in powders and organic as much as possible. And put 1/2 teaspoon of that in there also. It also gives you more added energy. And when you're sick, you're low on energy and you're fatigued and you don't feel good at all. So astragalus is really good. Also, goji berry powder. Get some dry goji berries and you can grind them up in your food processor, make a powder. Or you can just buy the powder on Amazon or eBay and that type of thing. And that has certain particular polysaccharides that actually surround each cell and prevent, different things like bacteria and viruses from actually attacking the cells. So really great stuff. I highly recommend it. Also, grape seed extract. One of the first wonderful, powerful antioxidants that was ever known to mankind. Also resveratrol in it and all that type of thing. I highly recommend putting in a half ounce of that in also. Also, olive leaf powder. You know, if you have olive trees around, you can take some the leaves off, wait till they dry, grind them up, and that'll work great as a powerful antioxidant which boosts up your immune system also. I also recommend putting in some mullein, which is really good. Also helps to dry up the mucus and that type of thing. And also it's a immune booster also, and really great for all the mucous membranes from your lungs to your urethra to everything in your body. The GI tract is really great. And last but not least, a wonderful echinacea, which is known for helping to boost up your immune system and preventing in general. So I highly recommend putting a half ounce of that powder also in. So 1 ounce of the vitamin C and a half ounce of everything else. And that's your wonderful immune boosting formula. Then, here's the echinacea. You can buy that. Also, get yourself some gelatin capsules. These happen to be 00 double aught. And these are really great. I keep them around all the time. In fact, they look like I'm really low on them, so I really need to get some more. And they're really easy to fill. Just put your powder onto a plate and then take one side, take the two sides apart, and then put the powder into the capsule. Just push down, or actually push it into the capsule and put on the other side, and you got a full capsule. It takes a little time, but I do this all the time, so I'm used to it. And it really works great. You can get these capsules at any health food store, and they will do a great job. Also, you can order them on Amazon and eBay and just about anywhere online. And just about all these powders you can find on Amazon and eBay. And try to get as organic as much as possible also. Not everything comes in organic, but you can try as much as possible. So this is a great way to boost up your immune system and make a difference in actually feeling better in general all the time. I have used this for, almost 15 years. And I have to say, it really does work great. I don't get sick. There's no doubt about that. I hardly ever get a cold or flu. And I attribute that to a lot of the herbs I take. And this formula during the winter is really wonderful. I would recommend you take it for 10 days and then take a week off, then come back and take it for 10 days, take a week off, and do that on a regular basis through the winter time. And once the winter is over, then you can cut back on it in general. And I recommend taking 2 capsules daily, 2 double aught capsules daily. And that gives you about 500 milligrams per capsule. And you're getting about 1,000 milligrams daily. So that's really good. Or you can take a teaspoon of the powder and take it with a little honey, and that will do you well also. So remember to get your immune system up there. It's really vitally important, especially now. If you want to do a consultation with me, feel free. My phone number is 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119. Call me. Let's get rid of those chronic diseases. There's no reason to have them. Let's get healthy. Also, if you want to prevent cancer, actually Google "live a cancer-free life," and it will come up first thing. And it will have my name there, and you can order it as a Kindle, or you can order it as a paperback like that. 3 out of 5 people are coming down with cancer, and I know you know someone who has cancer. And you don't want to be one of those people. It's much easier to prevent than it is to actually heal the cancer afterwards. So allow yourself to read my book. I bet you can read it all in one evening and change your life completely and feel great. And remember a couple things. Remember God, and remember, I love you.